All right, welcome back to Copywriter's Corner, and in this video you're going to learn about why you should not be safe and instead should focus on being remembered. The thing about copy is that the whole thing that we're battling against when it comes to trying to capture someone's attention with copy is the very limited attention spans that we're working with. A goldfish now has a higher attention span than the average human being, and because of that, it is up to us to try and capture their attention and keep it on us for the longest time we could possibly have. And the way you do that is by not playing it safe. You are welcome to say crazy, outlandish things as long as it's... Put it like this. Someone is always going to be offended. No matter what you do, no matter what you write, no matter what you say, someone is always going to be offended. So the best thing you could possibly do is at the very least be polarizing to the benefits of your target market. So if you know that your target market are a bunch of guys, not only are they guys, but they're a bunch of bros, and a lot of them are Republican maybe, then a Trump statement, a pro-Trump statement may work to your benefit. And some people will be polarized and they may try to tell you not to do that anymore. They may even say, hey, I want a refund. Or they may say, yo, I'm never doing business with you ever again. That is perfectly fine, because for every one of those people, there's 5 other people who read whatever you wrote and was like, wow, that is hilarious. This person gets me. So if that's going to happen anyways, then you might as well pick whatever side of the fence that you want to be on. Do not straddle the fence. Do not do any of that. Be polarizing, be remembered, and when you do that, you will see a lot more success with your copy, and you'll know exactly which angles you should be taking with whatever you're writing, because you know which side of the fence you're supposed to be playing on. So, see you in the next video.